Hello, this is Mara. Today we're going to talk about Baddha Padmasana. First of all, observe your spine and your head to be in one line. Sit in Sukhasana and then try to start from the classical lotus pose. After that, your hand goes back and try to reach your toes. Inhale and exhale from your nose and stay for 5 seconds at least. If you have any injury to your knees, avoid do this asana. If you want to sit and from the other side, from the lotus pose, our hands go back and touching our toes, we'll start breathing. Very beautiful. Namaste friends. Hope that you like it.